We are here in Disney's Animal Kingdom, and today is our last day here in this park. We have so much to do, so much things that we haven't done, so many things that we want to redo. So with that being said, come along with us. We're going to have the best day. There's Doug. He's so cute. I love him. If you are new here, hello, my name's Ash.
I'm Ben.
I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. You don't have to, obviously, but Ben's annoyed that I took the camera off them.
No, it's because you put it so close to your face. My head is like here, really distorted. And
First port of call is Dino Land because we are going to Dinosaur. Let's go get that dino.
I was just about to say that.
Time travelers, place all loose items in the pouch in front of you. Fasten your seatbelt and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the time rover. And please watch children.
Just gonna get this.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little ones.
Oleoramus. Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming! Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor. Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
So you will have just seen some clips from Dinosaur. Great, love it. We came to Restaurantosaurus and got the fried chicken burger, so we'll try that out. There's a huge tomato on it though. At this point, we're literally just eating, but I feel like we're having an out-of-body experience. Regardless, the chips were really good. The burger was good. It was a solid, like, quick service burger. Whatever that leaf was in there was absolutely huge. But in terms of quick service and chicken, it was very, very good. I don't know how long Restaurantosaurus is going to be around, obviously, with the transformation of Dinoland USA. However, if you're going soon, it's a good option. Food is done. It was good. It was nice. It was whatever. We do have a reservation later, so we kind of just wanted to get something in us before we get on some rides. We are now going to go over to Asia and have a look at the Maharaja Jungle Trek. Apparently they have bats here. Bats. I love bats, so we need to go see it. I love Halloween. It's freaking bats. Alright, here we go. There's tigers in here, so I'm very excited. So cute. I don't know if you can see, but right there on the rock is a huge Komodo dragon. They're really big and they have really whippy tails. He's just enjoying the heat. He's like, oh yes. They're so interesting. Just on that branch there is some bats. And they're sleeping upside down. Very cute.
Flying foxes.
Yeah. Just found a black tree on it. Oh, look at him. Or her. Oh, that's so cute. They're very cute. We just came into this little section with a lot of birds. Look at that one. Wow.
Oh, they're having a scrap.
Oh, they're having a fight. Oh, goodness me. I don't know how well you can see because it is so bright, but now it is time for Expedition Everest. Ben doesn't like this. I'm not the biggest fan of it. It's pretty forceful and intense, so we're going to go on it anyway, see how we go. So we'll catch up with you in a minute. hand. You okay? Breathe. It's raining. Oh, no! Oh, it's from the waterfall. Okay.
Oh, woo! I'm okay. I'm okay.
Yeah?
That was better the second time.
Yeah, it was. I'm a little lightheaded. I've got a little pins and needles. Oh, whoa, I'm good. I can only apologise if I'm shaking. So we just got off Everest. That is so much more forceful than any ride at Disney.
I was fine with that one.
You were fine. Honestly, I get like pins and needles and a bit lightheaded on it, but it's fun. I just wish it wasn't so forceful. It's like non-stop positive G's, like, and you're just kind of like pushing into your seat and you're like, whoa. But
I'm proud of myself.
I'm really proud of you, actually. It is good. Definitely one of the more intense rides at Disney for sure. But honestly, if you can do that, you can do Cheetah Hunt easy. So next time we go to Busch Gardens, hopefully in a couple of years, we'll get you on it. Because Cheetah Hunt is so good. Ben and I have decided that we need a super cool, refreshing drink, so we're actually gonna go get slushes from Joffrey's. They do these like Minute Maid lemonades with blue raspberry in it. They're unreal, they're so good. We have absolutely devoured these slushes. Like, I've got a little bit left, but I can't drink it. Honestly, everything's so sweet here. It's kind of like giving me a toothache. Ben destroyed theirs, so like, look at that. Totally gone. Slushes were good. Now it's time for our reservation at Yak and Yeti. So, yo, I almost fell asleep. I'm so tired. There's air conditioning. Okay, we have got our table at Yak and Yeti. Hello. Ben's gonna go for chicken tikka masala. I think I'm gonna go for the low main with chicken, and I'm probably just gonna get some water. We'll update you when the food arrives, but so far service has been really, really nice. Everyone's really, really friendly. A lot of options here as well, and I'm just glad to see some slightly more like vegetable-based options as well. Because for the last week and a half, I've been eating nothing but carbs. Food has arrived. So Ben got the chicken tikka. That looks incredible. It smells amazing, by the way. And then I went for the chicken lo mein. This does smell so good. Is it good? It's really good. Is it really good? It smells incredible, I can't lie. Okay, lunch at Yak and Yeti was great. What did you think?
Very nice.
It was very good food, actually. We were really happy with it. So, and it was also really not expensive.
It was really cheap.
It came to about $50 to the both of us, so that was pretty good. My shoelaces are both undone. I'll sort that out in a moment. With that being said, we are now going to go and see It's Tough to Be a Bug. Hello, it's Editing Ash. Unfortunately, you couldn't film it, which was really sad. So, back to the video. It's Tough to Be a Bug was so good, but I will tell you one thing, you can't film in there, firstly. And B, it's not one if you have a fear of spiders, that's for sure. There's a big scene where like loads of them come down from the top of the roof.
And you might get just a little bit wet.
You might. We are heading into Pandora because we have a lightning lane for Navi River Journey, which is great. So, haven't done this one yet. Excited to do it. I've heard it's incredible. The lighting is going to be terrible, but the floating mountains are incredible. I cannot wait to get on Navi River Journey. This is incredible, and I also love how much shade there is. I am hoping that the lightning lane doesn't take too long because we do also have a lightning lane for Flight of Passage. Just came off Navi River journey and that was absolutely incredible. It was so beautiful, so peaceful. Really just feel like you've been like transported to another world.
Yeah, that animatronic.
Insane.
Wow.
The motion is so fluid that like it literally looks like a real thing, like an actual being. Like, it's crazy. And the detail in it, you will never see that detail on camera. But when you are there in person, like I swear to God, it's got paws, it's got wrinkles, like it is so detailed. It's absolutely incredible. But anyway, we're actually going to go on Flight of Passage now, which only has a 35-minute wait, but we do have a lightning lane for it, so let's get on it. This is absolutely incredible. Wow. So let's just hope I don't get motion sick on this, because I do get pretty motion sick on some simulators. Star Tours is one of them, however I've heard this is very fluid, so we'll try it out, we'll see how it goes. But Star Tours makes me extremely nauseous. We are off Flight of Passage. Obviously you cannot film on that ride. How was that?
That is the best ride I've ever been on.
It was incredible. I don't know if I'd put it quite as high as Rise. Rise is still my favourite, but honestly the entire thing I had goosebumps. I was really nervous about it because I do have motion sickness and I get very, very prone to like feeling super yucky super quick. I popped a couple of Dramamine earlier and I'm good to go. Honestly, the most beautiful ride I've ever been on. Like, it's crazy. I'm not going to spoil it, but there's a part with a whale and it comes out of the water. I won't tell you where it is, but it's absolutely amazing. And I can't believe we haven't done it until this point. Ben's genuinely speechless. Like, Ben just keeps going, oh my God.
I can't stop saying wow.
Yeah, literally. It is incredible. Anyway, now we are going over to Kilimanjaro Safaris. Okay, we are heading out of Animal Kingdom. Unfortunately, Kilimanjaro Safaris went down for technical issues and we need to head over to Universal. So with that being said, if you are new here, please do consider subscribing below and we'll see you on the next one. There is going to be a Halloween Horror Nights vlog, so